Hey guys, today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change this aerator on this bathroom sink. So what I have here is I have some channel locks, and what I actually recommend doing is getting a cloth to put between the aerator and the channel locks if you're going to just clean it out instead of replacing it. You might scratch the finish on it, but you just unscrew it here after you loosen it with the channel locks. And as you can see, it's pretty dirty. It's almost like little tiny like seashell looking debris in that. But either way, it has a little rubber stopper there. I take that off and put it down just the way it would go on the aerator here. And here's a closer look at what the stuff looks like in there. All right, and this is the aerator up close, a little clearer picture here. You can see it's pretty dirty. We had and this is the rubber stopper that goes on the top here, just like that when you replace it. We noticed it was dirty on the outside, and we just decided to clean it here. So this is the other sink. We're just cleaning it off, and you can actually separate it here. This is a close-up. There we go. So it's a lot better, obviously. And it comes out into two pieces here, so you just clean that. That had some black debris on it, so you can go ahead and clean that out. And then I just clean this out from both sides. And again, this just sits in here like that. It just sits in the outer piece. So it's made up of the two pieces. And then we put the rubber washer on there. And then just screw it back on. And I'll screw it back on just by hand, and I'll hand tighten it. You can use the channel locks to get it back on, but I was able to do it just by hand tightening it as long as it was dry. I dried it off and it was fine. And again, just reminding you to go ahead and use a cloth between the aerator and the channel lock so you won't scratch it up. So I went ahead and hand tightened it here. And just flush it out and you're good to go. You can replace it with a new one if you want, but that's what we did here. So hope that helped, and go ahead and check out this next video.